Add Site Civil Area 01 to the 3D view. Create a standard equipment under Zone Equipment Area 01. Name the equipment P1501A. From the user-defined type, select Pump. Select the Specification radio button and choose Aveva Standard Equipment. Select Standard Pumps, Mounted Centrifugal Pump, Pump 005 from the grid. Select the Properties button. Enter the dimensions from the GA drawing and click OK. Click the Apply button and note the position control form is displayed. Explicitly position the pump at the coordinates provided. Close the Create Equipment form. Use the Aveva power wheel to move the pump north 154 mm and up 314 mm. Use the model editor to rotate 180 degrees into position. To create pump P1501B, select Copy Element with Offset. From the Offset options list, select from Design Point to Design Point. First select the foundation design point under the pump, then click the same point of the adjacent foundation. Create the pump copy and rename P1501B. Following the same workflow, create pumps P1502A and B from template pump 006.